All right, we got an additional thunderstorm coming in. Looks like it's more to the southwest part of town here. It's just off to my west. It was putting out some pretty good lightning strikes. There was some close lightning strikes as I was headed out to my north. They were real close, very bright, and man, like I said, this is totally unexpected. Listen to that thunder. Oh, deep booms here. Oh, that was over there. I did catch it though. Oh man, listen to that boom. Wow, that was a deep one. Oh, come on. Caught that.